If you are using Chrome browser and you want to stop Google from tracking you in every website you visit using Chrome browser, you want to protect your privacy browsing, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to stop Google from tracking you in every website you visit across the web. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Chrome browser. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Chrome browser. If you have not logged into your Chrome browser, go ahead and click on the profile icon right here. And once you click on the profile icon, you'll be asked to log in with your details. Once you log in with your Google account, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Google Services. Under the Google Services right here, you have Make Search and Browsing Better. Send URL of page you visit to Google. All you have to do is to simply turn off this button right here. And with that, Google will not be able to track every URL or website you visit across the web with Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about privacy and security settings on browse, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.